My name is Gaurav Nagpal. I am Director Sales in MISUMI India. Welcome to Movement Matters. We are showcasing our new products like motors. We have induction, stepper, servo, and BLDC motors. So our range of servo motors start from 50 watt to 1000 watt, and range of induction motors start from 3 watt to 200 watts. These motors are being used in warehouse automation, packaging, pharma, and automotive industry. In IWS, we are getting very good response for our new products, which have good quality with affordable pricing. MISUMI India is a global company having head office in Gurgaon. We have regional presence all over India. Our strength is more than 6 million standard components and strong QCT, quality, cost, and time.